Welcome back, family. So we jumping right into it. We got the needles ready, syringe, the MVP. Just make it easily accessible, closer to you.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stank. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's stank.
Before anything else, we're doing it on the left side this week. Just because last week's video, for whatever reason, it stopped recording on my camera, so I wasn't able to upload it, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again for you guys. It's actually been almost 2 weeks and having technical issues, but eventually I'll get a camera, like a real camera outside of the iPhone.
I miss the hugs, smooches, and blessings. And now as soon as I step in, it's questions like who was you with or what is that I'm smelling? ¿Con quién era que tú andabas? ¿Cuál estaban fumando? Mi hijo tiene su bajo encima que no me agrada. I'm like, so mommy, take it easy, cause I wasn't doing nada. I was just kicking it in the stew, chilling with much greasy y los panas, some shoutings. Don't wanna know who's my Yannick. Suave, tú sabes como tu hijo es un papi champú. Te suave, pues está bien. Necio, ven a besarme y luego ve a acostarte. Y yo empiezo a cagarme para entre a bañarme, quitarme el aguabate. Prefiero y abrazarte, besarte en vez de guillarme. You ask me if I'm hungry, digo que no tengo hambre. Espero que te duermas para entrarme a la cocina a hartarme. Lord, the munchies got me. My tummy won't calmarse, but I guess not till I drop the bates. I see a teardrop on my face. I will continue to extrañarte. Cigarettes on cigarettes. My mama
if you're familiar with my channel,
I got burn holes in my
you already know
hoodie,
why
so
it's to
my
reduce
homies
the bubbles.
think I miss my
If you're not new to my channel, then welcome. I like to pretty much get to the point and cut this video shorter than what it needs to be. Alright, so if you have this syringe, the one that's in 100 units, you still want to go down to your dosage. Like mine is 0.45, so I'm actually going in between the 40 and the 50, and we're measuring it by the top line of the syringe. Top line. Usually it's on the bottom if you have a regular syringe. The ones that aren't in units, they're measured in regular milliliters. Since this one's the units one, they use this for insulin, so we're gonna go by the top line. Alright.
A lot of y'all, 100K followers and all that. Get one video that get 1 million views, 5 million views. Then you realize you dropping everything, you getting 300. What happened?
I usually flip it over and leave it in for a little bit just to reduce the
Ever since I did that yeet beat, they starting problems. You boys sound like an unpolished version of Logic. These boys be up 100K, they drop, they steady flopping. I know that shit that hurt your soul, so go and internalize it.
Once you see that you finish using it, lift it up, it covers the needle. If not, if you have the other needles that I used to have that doesn't have this mechanism, just cover it back up with the cover.
I be off in Texas with some dealer plates, probably where the killer stay. Saw your little comment, pussy, I was on a dinner date. Luckily I say the little Rooney rappers getting ate. Who the fuck done let you in the fucking culture anyway? You can't fucking have that. We don't give a fuck about them white ass fast raps. Bitch, we fucking past that. Street niggas been going up in stock just like the NASDAQ. Watch them try to diss me with a fast flow.
So
Bitch, you better stick to the
dry.
fucking Bass Pro. Me against you, dog. That's a fucking bad joke. With 3 of these rappers in front of you, bitch, I'm a blast foe. They be so surprised when they get the shit they ask for. I'm really from the dirt and you can kiss my fucking ass.
So it's hard finding a spot that
so
you
fucking
haven't
humble with this shit. But I changed with the change. I guess that shit the cash for.
You want to relax your muscles and remind yourself to ground yourself and relax them. It just makes the needle easier to go in. Don't try to rush pushing it in. You'll feel the pressure.
Knew that I would be a star, put up in a Merkable. White rapper talking about a black nigga on his grind like his granddaddy ain't a racist conservative. Hip hop started in the ghetto, so let's go. It ain't about no metaphors, it's about what's in your chest, bro. That's what these white rappers got fucked up. Writing down the similes, but it still suck, bro. Really talk about the way that we enunciate. Been we really from the street, we had to make a way. Notice that it's only fucking white rappers talking about they don't understand what the fucking culture say.
And once you finish pushing it all in, you want to wait there for about 20 to 30 seconds.
You know what I mean? Get in the rap game. Start talking about mumble rappers and shit like that. You just not from the struggle. You don't understand how we enunciate.
This is definitely scar tissue.
You don't understand this colloquialism.
You
know what I
mean?
in a second.
You don't understand
I
this
don't know if you can see it in
colloquialism,
the
you
camera,
understand?
but
And
I
it's,
see a
it
little
is
bit of
real,
blood coming out
motherfucker.
already.
It's real motherfucking white rappers out here really
Press on
supporting
it
the culture.
for
And you really
another
fucking it up
20
for
to
them
30
right now.
seconds.
You know what I mean? Hip hop is from the
It's good
ghetto,
to
don't get it fucked
alternate
up.
sides, especially because I've been doing it on this
Motherfucker,
side
instead
for
of dissing us, you
the
need to say
last
you loved us.
2
We
weeks
created
since the
another
last
way for y'all
T-Shot
motherfuckers.
video. It's
Another
also
way
going to
for
be tender
everything that
because of that
motherfuckers
too.
had to go through.
So, but I wanted to, you know,
Come
keep
on,
it
man.
consistent and give you
Stop
guys a
playing with
video
us out here, man. It's
on the
real.
left side since I already did it
And like
on
I'm
the
saying,
right
this
side
is
a few
life.
times. Alright,
It's
perfect.
real life. It can get nasty.
Unfortunately I ran out
Way more
of
disrespectful.
regular band-aids, so I
Relax,
got
nigga.
this big old band-aid here.
And I just wanna see you for a while. And I just wanna see you
It's
for
gonna
a
be
while.
interesting to take off
I just wanna
later,
see you
but
for a while. Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, and that's pretty much it, family. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, I try to keep it consistent, you know, so we can go through this journey together. So far it's been 10 and a half months. Alright, it's gonna be 11 months on the 24th of this month. So in about 2 weeks. And yeah, it's pretty much exciting. Voice is already getting deeper. You know, the facial hair is coming in. If you haven't checked out my beard routine, I highly recommend it. I know it doesn't do it any justice right now, but ignore the scratch. That was messy. She clocked me yesterday, but yep, it's coming in. When I go to the barber shop, you know, it cleans up nice. So far I'm just using facial wash and the beard oil from Beard Guys. It just makes it fill in more. I haven't started the derma roller. I've seen some pretty good reviews on it. One of the main reasons I don't use minoxidil is because of spasms. You know, it's toxic to animals, especially cats. So it's pretty much one of the reasons why I don't use it. But other than that, you know, great reviews. Subcute has been my favorite alternative to use as opposed to the thigh. I haven't had any real like symptoms like that. Other than that, you know, I've had a pretty good transition. You know, weight's fluctuating. I'm actually getting, you know, more brolic on the shoulders, so I actually do have to go shopping again for a different wardrobe because I'm just like, I haven't even worked out consistently enough for me to be brolic. I was already brolic up top before, but now it's like I'm noticing that I'm pretty like stocky. I gained 20 pounds. I'm about 180 now. I've never actually passed 160, but it's not a completely bad thing. You know, muscle weighs more than fat. But everything sticks in your gut, so this is pretty much what I'm trying to work on now. But yeah, other than that, you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in and going through this journey with me. I hope my videos is helping you. I hope I give you some type of insight. And if I haven't touched on a subject yet that you want me to talk about, then comment below and let me know. But other than that, I'll see you guys next video. Alright? Stay safe. Stay blessed, family. Love y'all.